In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add baggage on Skyscanner. Start by heading to skyscanner.com and make sure you're on the flight section. That's where you'll set up the trip details before you choose baggage. In the search box, enter your origin in the from field and your destination in the to field. Take a second to double check airport codes if there are multiple options in your city. Next, pick your departure date. And if you're booking a return, select your return date as well. Set the number of travelers so the results and any baggage pricing reflect everyone in your group. When everything looks right, hit search to see available flights. On the results page, browse the options and select the flight that fits your schedule and budget. You'll then see a prompt to book your ticket. Choose the provider you prefer and click Book Now. Skyscanner will redirect you to the airline or travel agent's website to complete the booking and add extras like baggage. The interface can vary slightly by airline, but the flow is similar. On the booking page, start by selecting your fare. You'll see what's included by default, typically a cabin baggage allowance. Look for a section that lists check-in baggage. If you want to add checked bags, choose the weight or piece option you need and click Select to add it. Keep an eye on the price as baggage costs can scale with weight, and some fares already include a checked bag, which might be better value than adding it later. If you're booking a return trip, repeat the same process for the inbound leg. Make sure you add baggage for both directions if you'll be checking a bag on the way back too. Once you've selected the fare for the return flight, choose the option that includes check-in baggage or add it as an extra in the same way you did for the outbound. Before you move forward, review the summary on the right or at the bottom of the page. Confirm that cabin baggage is included as shown, that your chosen checked baggage appears for each traveler, and that it's applied to both the outbound and return segments. This is also a good moment to verify the total cost and the baggage weight limits and size restrictions, which differ by airline. That's it. By starting on Skyscanner to find your flight and then adding baggage on the airline's checkout page, you can customize exactly what you need and avoid surprises at the airport.